Welcome to No Fear Cooking. I'm Sophie, Magda's niece, and I'm visiting from England. We are going to do some Italian waffle cookies, which are called pizzelles. Use this recipe for a party, when you have friends over, or it can be perfect for any get-together, or when you're bored on a rainy day. My sister Rosie is here with me, and she'll help us today.
So, what do we do now?
Let's start with step 1, making the dough. We are starting with the butter and the sugar.
It's actually a waffle cookie because we're going to have a form to cook them, so it's good. Go ahead. I'll let you do all the work today, Sophie. You'll learn very well to make them.
Now let's add 1 or 2 eggs at a time. Now it's time to add vanilla. Now it's time to add the flour, and you can add the baking powder into the flour, and then you can really easily add it to the mixture.
Yeah. Are you going to make some cookies, some pizzelles?
This is ready, and now we're going to warm up our pizzelle maker. It will take about 2 minutes, and we'll be back with you when it's warm. While this was warming up, we took a couple minutes to make a few balls of dough for the cookies.
It's fun for the others to help.
Wonderful, yeah. And now we'll take one bowl and just drop it in the waffle for the cookie to cook. Will take about 1 minute, and once you have to be very tight, right?
Yes, make sure you hear that pop. Watch the steam, and once it's gone, your cookies are ready. Careful, it's hot! After a minute, we have 2 lovely cookies that are done. And we have about some 60 more to go.
So we'll come back once we have them almost ready. And again, Rosie is going to help to make the dough, and we'll keep going to cook, and it's going to go very fast. Half an hour, you're done with 60 cookies. Be careful with the heat there. Rosie, don't touch. We'll be back in a couple more minutes.
Now we're going to decorate the cookies. You can use whatever you want. You can make them healthy or not. You can use chocolate, marshmallows, sprinkles. We have anything you want you can put on them.
Wow. I even have a banana I'm going to cut. I'm going to be the healthy one.
Oh.
Good for me, right? What are you going to have? Let's start to have fun with decorating the cookies now. The pizzelles are so good plain. You know, they last for about a month in a tight container. You go ahead, start yours. I'm going to do a banana so you can put something. Oh, Babette, a banana for you. Do you want to smell the banana? That smells so good. Say, girls, we're so happy to have family here today. Sophie, it was so good to have you in our kitchen. Rosie, the
Thank
same.
you for having us.
We're still going to finish cooking here. And I'm going to do a little bit of banana. And if you wanna, did you ever see this little gadget? It's so
cool.
fun to have. Yeah, we use it for all the cereals, right, Babette? And one more time. And now let's see who's going to dare to put a little bit of banana on their pizzelle. I'm going to. Yes. Let's see. Wow, that looks so good. Yes. And then I'm going to have, what else are you going to put? Any sprinklers on? Lots, right, Rosie? That one looks particularly good with the marshmallow cream. Really, really good, right?
Yeah.
What are you going to do here now?
I might be a bit healthy and add some bananas.
Oh, just have somebody, go ahead for then. You're allowed to start first, yes. It is fun to cook together. You know, I had a cooking class for just one friend with a 5-year-old, and we did crepes. Would you imagine that? And we decorated with a lot of goodies on. So I'm going to do mine with sprinklers. May I have the yellow ones, please?
Yeah.
Nathaniel, watch this. Oh, they are so good. And I'm even going to press them. Do they stay? Pretty much. Imagine everything you want to have for a party. Ice cream. We forgot to have ice cream. We could put a little bit ice cream between the two of the cookies.
Make an ice cream sandwich.
An ice cream sandwich. So who would like that to have? I put a little strawberry. They're frozen strawberries, but they go well because you don't need to cut them. They're nice and soft. So
We have Nutella, marshmallows. What else do we have?
I have a little bit of coconut shavings. That goes well with chocolate actually. And then also I'm going to put in one of my banana. Again, you can do whatever you like to. What else would you buy to decorate with? Anything else?
You could buy fruits or anything.
Yep, they're pretty good like that. Right, let's show them off. Oh, look at that. Good sprinklers. Very good, Sophie. I love that. And you know, it's good. They'll run around the table. We'll clean up afterwards. It's okay, right?
Yeah.
Who's going to clean up? I'm going to take a coffee and rest. That's all I'm going to do now, right? All right. Here is all our nice pizzelles.
Yeah.
And you can have them plain, like we did. But it's good for a party, right? You can invite your friends over. Nathaniel, you can invite your friends over, right? So with this, I'm going to say thank you, Sophie and Rosie, coming to my home.
Thank you for teaching us.
You're welcome. I hope you're coming back.
Yes.
And we'll do a new recipe.
Yeah.
The bread came perfect, though. Next time, you're going to make the bread. With this, we're going to say enjoy it. Poftă bună. We always say it in Romanian too. And manja manja. Till next time.